ever wondered why your skin tends to break out after a stressful week at work, stressful week at home taking care of the kids, or after you have had a good time indulging in some beautiful, delicious, mouth-watering chocolate cake or chocolate bars? Then this video is for you. Let's talk about sugar. We all know that feeling, that boost of energy that we get after we have taken sugar. But do you know that spike in sugar level tends to wreak havoc on your skin? Yes. Excessive sugar intake can trigger acne on your skin. When you eat a lot of sugary foods, your blood sugar spikes. And when there's a spike in your blood sugar level, it triggers the overproduction of insulin. And an increase in insulin in your bloodstream can lead to a lot of oil production in your body. And more oil means more clogged pores, and more clogged pores leads to acne. I had to put myself to the test to be able to be a living proof to this fact. Over the past couple of weeks, I have been stressed, which is not a good thing. I'm not coming here to just tell you to go and be stressed, but life was just very stressful for me. And when I'm stressed, I normally end up doing stress eating. And stress eating, I eat a lot of sugary sweet foods. And lo and behold, a few days ago, somebody came to say hi. Can you see? Somebody came to say hi, and she is really standing out. That's right. So those snacks that you feel are very good in the moment can cause a little problem on your skin just a few days later. So next time you are reaching out for that cookie or that chocolate or that Mars bar or that Haribo sweet pack, consider this reminder that sugar might be your worst enemy. Aside causing acne on your skin and these breakouts that just seem to not find solution, it is really not that good for your health. Now let's talk about stress. Stress can be pretty unavoidable, whether it's at home, whether it's in your workplace, whatever form of work you have. Sometimes stress can just not be avoidable. But do you know that stress is one of the leading causes of acne? Here is the science to back it up. When you are stressed, your body releases a stress hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is known as the stress hormone. And when cortisol is on a high level in your bloodstream, it increases or encourages the excess production of oil. And just like insulin, when there's a high cortisol level in your bloodstream, which ends up triggering high oil production, 1 + 1 equals acne. So not only does stress mess with your mood, stress can also mess with your skin. So now that you know why your acne just tends to flare up after a stressful period or after that time where you've enjoyed some sweet snacks, here is your answer. But there is hope. Alright, now that we have established that stress and sugar play a leading role in acne breakouts and acne flare-ups here and there, here is a breakdown on some things that you can do to help control it. Number 1 is to reduce your sugar intake. Focus on a balanced diet. Fewer sugary foods. When you are craving something sugary, rather go for a healthy snack or a healthy fruit. And not all fruits, because some fruits also contain high sugars, but I think it's a good sugar. But how much of that fruit are you going to eat? And if you take a fruit, you are most likely not going to be taking excessive amounts of that fruit compared to the soda. You're probably going to be taking that chocolate bar. So go for more healthy options and eat a really balanced diet and cut down on the amount of sugar that you would normally take. Number 2 is to manage stress. Stress is inevitable. Like, you cannot stop stress, but you can manage the amount of stress that comes your way. You can manage the amount of time you take into thinking things out. Manage the amount of stress that comes to you and don't let it engulf you. Try incorporating exercises like yoga, try gentle workouts, go for power walks, try breathing exercises or meditation, and trust me, your skin is going to thank you. And you need to have a skincare routine. A consistent skincare routine can help to combat acne in the early stage. Use ingredients that balance oil production and help to unclog your pores. Look for products that contain ingredients like salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, and niacinamide. Stay hydrated. Try and drink a lot of water, good amount of water, to flush out that excess toxin and sugar in your bloodstream. And drinking a lot of water helps to keep your skin hydrated, which ends up making your skin look more supple and more glowy. The last one is try and sleep well. I know it might not be easy, but try and get a a good amount of hours of sleep. Even if it's during the day, if you're at home, try and get about 10 minutes nap, a 30-minute nap. Or if you're working 9 to 5, when you get home, try not to watch too many action or highly lighted movies, too many, heavy duty movies. Try and watch relaxing movies, drink some relaxing tea before you go to bed, and reduce the amount of time you spend on your screen before you go to bed, so you can be able to fall asleep really easily and sleep very, very well. So there you have it. Stress and excessive sugar can be detrimental to your health and to your skin, but now that you know, you can make very, very good decisions and certain life choices and changes to help control or push back and welcome acne flare-ups. Share this video to your brother or your sister out there, or to that person who keeps wondering, where did this acne come from? This might be an answer to their question. Let me know in the comment section how you deal with stress. I would love to hear from. And also, anybody who watches this video in the future can also learn 1 or 2 ways how to deal and control their stress. So until next time, do stay sweet but not too sugary. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.